Good morning, all of you. Today our topic is matrices and subtopic is transpose matrix and symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Objectives are transpose of a matrix, symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix. Resolving a square matrix into a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Now we go to the definition of transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix A is a matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A and is denoted by A transpose. Or can you write this one? A power T or A dash. Or can you denote the transpose? A power T or A dash. The meaning of the transpose is we have to interchange rows and columns. Now we go to the properties of a transpose. Which is the first property? A transpose of transpose is equal to A. Second one, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Number 3, A minus B whole transpose is equal A transpose minus B transpose. Number 4, AB whole transpose is equal B transpose into A transpose. Here you observe A comma B are same size. Same size means same order of the matrices, like the 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix. Here A into A whole transpose is equal K into A transpose. Here K is a scalar. Now we go to the symmetric matrix. The definition of symmetric matrix is a matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose is equal to A. Whenever we satisfy this condition, A transpose is equal to A, then we say that A is a symmetric matrix. Which is the examples. If A is equal 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, then A transpose is equal 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. How to write the A transpose? We have to interchange rows and column. You observe here 1, 2, 3 and also here 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Here not to be changes that actual value, but the transpose means we have to interchange rows and columns. Then by using the definition, A transpose is equal to A. Whenever we write the transpose of this matrix, we get the same A matrix. That means A transpose is equal to A. So that we say that A is a symmetric matrix. Now we go to the next definition, skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. The definition is a matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus A. A transpose is equal to minus A. Now we see the example. A is given 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 3, 1, 0. Then A transpose is equal. We have to write here 0, minus 2, minus 3. Here the first column. Here we go to the first row. These are the interchanges of the matrices. Then we call what? Transpose. Here 2, 0, minus 2, 0, 1. We get here 2, 0, 1. Here 3 minus 1, 0 is the third column. Here 3 minus 1, 0 is the third row. Here A transpose is equal to minus A. We write here, whenever we write the transpose, we get this matrix is equal to A. That means A transpose is equal to minus A. can say that A is a skew symmetric matrix. Note, a note point is there. Every element of the principal diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix is necessarily 0. Once again, you observe every element of the principal diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix is necessarily 0. The second note point, every square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, which is the proof. Okay, let A be a square matrix, then A is equal 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 of A minus A transpose. Okay, let P is equal to what? 1 by 2 A plus A transpose and Q is equal 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Once again, you observe every square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric matrix. You see the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Now, P power T, that means 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose, all transpose is equal. We write 1 by 2 A transpose plus A transpose, all transpose is equal 1 by 2 of A transpose plus A, that is equal to what? T. This implies P is a symmetric matrix. And write the same Q of T, that is Q power Q transpose is equal 1 by 2 A minus A transpose, all transpose is equal 1 by 2 A transpose. Then write A transpose, all transpose is equal 1 by 2 A transpose minus A equal to minus Q. Then write Q is a symmetric matrix. Hence, A is equal P plus Q is proved. A is equal P plus Q is proved. Yes. We go to the example 1. If A is equal 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 0, 2, 4, 5, 0, and B equal 1, 0, 0, and 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. Verify AB whole transpose equal B transpose into A transpose. Okay, which is the solution? We have A is given and B is given. Now we can do the AB. That means multiplication of 3 by 3 matrix. Here we get the first row and first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. The same as it is following. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, third row, first column, second column, third column. We get the result is 5, 1, minus 3, 3, 2, 6, 14, 5, 0. Then we write AB whole transpose. We get the AB. Now we write AB transpose. How can we write the AB transpose? Just we know that interchange the rows and columns. We get here 5, 3, 14, 1, 2, 5, minus 3, 6, 0. Also we find B transpose and A transpose. We write here B transpose value is 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 3. A transpose value is 1, 3, 4, 2, 0, 5, minus 1, 2, 0. Now we can do the multiplication of B transpose into A transpose. These two matrices we have to do the multiplication of. Okay, 1, 2, 3, the same first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Then we get the result is 5, 3, 14, 1, 2, 5, minus 3, 6, 0. You observe here, AB whole transpose is also equal 5, 3, 14, 1, 2, 5, minus 3, 6, 0. So that we observe AB whole transpose is equal B transpose into A transpose. Okay, then hence the problem is verified, so that this proof will be satisfied. Next, we go to the example number. If A is equal 1, 3, 5, minus 1, minus 3, 7, and 0, minus 5, minus 7, find A plus A transpose. Given that A is given 1, 3, 5, minus 1, 3, 7, 0, minus 5, 7. How can we write the A transpose? we have to interchange the rows to columns. So that 1, 3, 5 the first row, we write 1, 3, 5 the first column. One, and minus 1, minus 3, 7 is second row, here second column. Third row and third column. We write A plus A transpose. A is this matrix, A transpose is this matrix. Then we have to add it both one. We get the result is 2, 2, 5. Just we add these two elements. Okay, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, battery. 1 plus 1 plus 2, 3 minus 1 we get 2, and 5 plus 0, 5, minus 1 plus 3, 2, minus 3 we get minus 6, 7 minus 5, 2, 0 plus 5, 5, minus 5 minus 7 we get 2, minus 7 minus 7, 14. Now we go to the example 3. Express the matrix A is equal 1, 4, 5, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 0 as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. We write the solution. Given A is equal 1, 4, 5, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 0, and A transpose we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 0. We write A plus A transpose. Here A matrix is given, A transpose is given. Just we add the two matrices. We get 2, 6, 8, 6, 4, 4, 8, 4, 0. Now we find P is equal 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. What is this value? Already we know that P is equal what? 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. 1 by 2 A is given, this matrix A transpose plus A transpose is, this matrix is given that 2, 6, 8, 6, 4, 4, 8, 4, 0. Now in the place of this 1, we have to divide it by 2 on each element. We get 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 4, 2, 0, which is a symmetric matrix. Which is a symmetric matrix. You observe here 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 4, 2, 0. Again, A minus A transpose. We write here, already we know that A matrix and A transpose, just we can do the subtraction. We get 0, 2, 2, minus 2, 0, 2, minus 2, minus 2, 0. Which is what? It is skew symmetric matrix. The before is A plus A transpose is symmetric. A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. Hence, we know that A equals 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose is equal to what? P plus Q. Now Q is equal to what? 1 by 2 A minus A transpose is equal 1 by 2. The remaining matrix we know that A minus A transpose. Then 0 divided by 2 we get 0, and 2 divided by 2 1, 2 divided by 2 1, and minus 2 divided by 2 minus 1, 0 by 2 everything is 0, 2 by 2 divided by 1, and minus 2 divided by 2 minus 1, minus 2 divided by 2 minus 1, and 0 by everything is 0. Here 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose is equal P plus Q. Then these elements 1, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 2, 2, 4, 2, 0 plus 0, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 0. Okay, this is the result of P plus Q. We get P plus Q. Then write A minus A transpose is Q symmetric matrix, and A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Summary. We have discussed about here transpose of a matrix, symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, resolving a square matrix into a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Now we go to the quiz. If A is equal 1, 10, 7, 1, 4, 6, then A transpose. What is the meaning of transpose? Just we have to interchange the rows to columns. Here the option A is 174, 10, 1, 6. Option B is 174. Option C is 10, 1, 6, 174. Option D is 10, 1, 6. What is the answer? 1, 7, 4, 10, 1, 6. Just we have to interchange columns into rows. Here, columns into rows or interchange rows to columns. Second question. If A is any square matrix, then A plus A transpose is. First one is symmetric matrix. Second one is skew symmetric matrix. The third one is null matrix. And fourth one is none of this. And what is the answer? Symmetric matrix. Already we know that A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Now we go to the assignment. The first question, if A is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0 and B is equal 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. Then find the value of A plus B whole transpose. Okay, we know that A plus B. First we do the addition, then after that we write the transpose, means we have to interchange the rows into columns. The second question is, if A is equal 1 minus 1 0, 2 1 3, 4 1 8 and B is equal 4 1 0, 2 minus 3 1, 1 1 minus 1. Show that AB whole transpose is equal B transpose into A transpose. How can we find this one? First we can do the AB. A into B. The two matrices on multiplication. Then after that we have to write the transpose of the given matrix. Then after that we find the B transpose and A transpose. Finally we have to multiply B transpose into A transpose. The both results are equalized. Then the equation is satisfied about the AB whole transpose is equal B transpose into A transpose. Thank you. Thank you very much.